had a consultation with Louise, analysed her hair texture, the curl type, the density of hair, the natural amount of moisture she has in her hair, and we are going to use the SEACURL line to shampoo, the mask to condition, and then of course the styling. With the SEACURL shampoo, it is going to help us enhance the curl, moisturize, give the hair the elasticity and softness that it needs, and really to help start the process of smoothing, adding shine, and making sure that these curls are retained between washes. Once this is complete, we are going to use the mask, where we are going to restore as much moisture as we can into the hair. Naturally, curly hair can be a little drier and coarser. Although Louise's hair texture is softer, it still of course has a natural coarseness due to the tightness of the curl. So when we apply the mask, we're going to leave that on for around 3 minutes before bringing her back here and styling with our lotion and our cream. So I'm just going to apply the SEACURL shampoo. This is going to enhance the moisture, give the hair more elasticity, softness, smoothness and shine, and just extend the life of the curl retention, making the styling last longer. You can clearly see with the SEACURL shampoo, which is different to the other shampoos within the L'Alga range, this one doesn't contain the pearlization in the product. This is to make it lighter, being more beneficial for the curl and not weighing it down when we use it. We're going to massage the product in between our hands, and then starting at the scalp and the root area, massage all the way through, focusing on really cleansing and cleaning the scalp before we take the product through the mid-lengths and ends of the hair. We're now going to use the SEACURL mask to restore the moisture, the elasticity of the hair, softness, giving it shine, and create more of those longer lasting curls. When we apply this product, we're going to take approximately our 2 to 3 fingertips, scoop around that much product onto our fingers, and then apply to the hair. Once we've applied the mask section by section, we take our wet brush or tangle teaser and we brush through the hair, making sure the product is evenly distributed throughout and that it is perfect from roots to ends, detangling the hair ready for styling. Before I apply my styling products, I'm just going to spray the hair with the Sea Mist just to help detangle, help us brush the hair through, and really help us to defrizz the hair before we apply our cream and our lotion. We're holding the product approximately an arm's length away from the hair and spraying through all the way from roots to ends evenly throughout all of the head. We have 2 products within the SEACURL line that we can use to style the hair for different results. Firstly, we have the SEACURL cream. The cream is hydrating, designed to create long-lasting curls, revitalizing the hair, fighting frizz, and restoring the elasticity. This is going to give us a soft, smooth, shiny finish with little hold. To decide how much cream to use for your hair type, what you should do is base your decision around how the product feels in the hair. Here I've used 1 pump of product, which will do 2 sections of Louise's hair, which is thick and fairly coarse in texture. Once you apply the product by massaging through your hands, squeezing into the ends first before working towards the roots, what we are looking for here is the hair to feel like it has a soft coating of the cream, but without any excess residue of product. If there is a residue of the white product on the hair that you can see, that's how you know you've used too much product on the hair, and it will therefore take too long for the hair to dry. Now the cream is applied onto the hair, you can see the softness, shine and definition that it gives each curl, This is going to be the perfect product for those clients that need to promote the definition, softness, shine over hold. You can clearly see the thicker, denser texture of the lotion. This is going to have more hold on the hair, giving us a longer lasting curl. Now the product is applied all the way through the hair. You can clearly see the beautiful shine and softness that the product has given it. At this point, you would have two options. You could leave the hair to dry naturally, allowing the product to form the shape and the curl throughout the day. If you preferred a wet look finish, you could occasionally spray the hair throughout the day to keep it damp and moist. Alternatively, you could dry naturally in the air and then scrunch the hair through later in the day once the product is set, or you could diffuse dry. It will give you more definition, more body, more volume, and often last longer as a finished look. But of course, the process can take longer styling the hair like this at home. To finish off, we're just going to use a very, very small amount of the glowing oil. And I'm just going to take this product, place a small pipette into my hand. I'm going to massage the oil through my hands and take the small areas of curl that require a little more definition, where the hair is naturally coarser, and we're going to just twist in the oil to add some shine, a little more definition, and some more softness.